Okay, so relatively simple. I think we can all work that one out. If we do the same thing now and we draw it above the horizon line, so maybe we'll just do a smaller one up here. Again, we just start off, apologies, start off with a little box or a square. So it's just a completely flat square, horizontal and vertical lines completely straight. You get that working first, and then you draw out from your vanishing point. So start off with the vanishing point. Oops, trying to get that a little bit closer. And we can draw from there as well. And then we can draw out to this point here. And then we can draw out to this point here. It's really important that you do draw out to the point that you don't see, okay? Because you want to make sure everything's three-dimensional. And it'll become more apparent later when you're doing more detailed drawings. So once you have all those lines together, you can just again draw a straight line that's going to mimic the front line. So we got the front left line, you're going to need a back left line, and then you can join them up like so. And then because we have this point here, we know we can just draw straight across and then just join them up. But again, even though you're not going to see it in the final render, I would always still draw the back of the box as well. And the reason is because we're just drawing boxes now, but if you're drawing a really detailed drawing, all those boxes are going to turn into buildings and shop fronts, or desks, or any possible object you can imagine, but they're all going to need to have detail. So you want to be able to have that detail to hand, and the way to do that is to have everything three-dimensional. So when you're above the horizon line, you're going to be able to see the bottom of the box. And when you're below the horizon line, you're going to be able to see the top of the box. Here's the top of the box here. A little bit messy, but that's all right. Like I said, I'm a bit of a messy artist.